Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure you're signed into iMessage with the Apple ID used for Apple Cash and that Face ID or Touch ID is active. Once done, confirm your iPhone runs a compatible iOS and two-factor authentication is on. Now open Messages, choose a conversation, and tap the Apple Cash card or the app drawer icon. You're starting the in-message flow. This is where you'll add funds and link your bank or debit card to Apple Cash. Next, tap Add Money on the Apple Cash card and enter the amount you want to load. You'll pick an existing debit card or choose to add a new bank account. If adding a bank, follow the secure verification steps your bank requires. Authenticate each action with Face ID or Touch ID. Make sure to follow any third-party bank prompts for micro deposits or code verification. This ensures the funding source is authorized and lets Apple Cash accept transfers. Finalize by confirming the Add Money transaction and watching your Apple Cash balance for the update. Some transfers show pending for a short time. Once the balance reflects the funds, you can send money via messages directly. If a transfer fails, first check your internet connection and ensure two-factor authentication and bank limits aren't blocking the move. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank for declined authorizations. That one troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.